Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Just a reminder, make sure you finish your midterm exam. Your midterm exam is due tomorrow by end of day, and tomorrow I mean November 20th. November 20th also starts week 8. So week 8 is due the following week, right? Which is the 28th. I'm sorry, the 27th. So in week 8, I know this is a holiday week, but I don't think it's a very complicated week. Watch the lecture, watch the video I posted, and just do a quick week 8 review. After you get that done, that's all you have this week, and enjoy the holiday time. However, I think it's a really good chapter in regards to learning about presentation skills and also what it takes to make sure an audience connects with you when you're talking about a topic. Another reminder, make sure you finish your midterm by tomorrow end of day, which is the 20th. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you have a great holiday, and I'm looking forward to seeing those great test scores. Thanks so much.